So this is our little square that we had from before, the starting, where we had our magic circle. We've obviously pulled that little bit tighter to cinch it in the middle, so you can see it comes at a nice close little ring in the circle. Now obviously we want it to join in a different colour, so I'm going to put this colour away and I'm going to bring in this. I'm going to change it for a red. Now just need to find my end. Now I'm using here another Aran wool, because when you're doing a project you don't really want to change the type of wool that you're using, because it keeps it consistent. Otherwise it will vary in size, and your stitches will vary, and you don't want that. So it's another Aran wool, so that it goes with what I'm already using. Now you can start your second colour in any of the corners that you want to. But obviously when we're doing the granny square that I do, then we turn our work over. Now I have left this particular end, not just because I don't want to sew it in, but because it shows me what's the wrong side and what's the right side of my work. So we want to turn it over to our wrong side, and we can use any of these corners. So to start it off, we take our hook, we take our wool, and we start with a slip stitch on our hook. So it's simply putting across the wool to form a loop, put our hook through, wool over, and pull it tight. And this is the method I'm going to use to show you how to do it for a granny square. Hold your wool the way you would, put your hook through your corner, whichever corner you choose, pull back through the wool and pull it through the loop. Let me show you that one more time. So you form yourself a slip stitch, take your wool, cross it over to make that loop there with the cross at the front, take your hook, put it through the wool, take the wool, put it around your hook, pull it through to make that slip stitch. Pick up your work. When you've got your slip stitch on your hook, put your hook through any of the corners, put your wool around your hook, pull it through the hole, and also pull it through the loop on your hook, and that attaches it to your work. Now we always start with 2 chains, so 1, 2, 2 chain, 1, 2, you don't count the one there, and that's the first of our 3 in the cluster. We'll round your hook, in through your hole, we'll round the hook, pull it back, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, we'll round your hook, in through your hole, we'll round your hook, pull it back, 3 loops, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, whoops, we'll round your hook, pull through 2, and that is you joined your extra colour, your different colour. Now obviously to finish this square you can go back to the other tutorial that I have on here, which shows you how to make a granny square, and this is just your round 2 where you start, and you've actually got your first cluster on your hook. Hope to see you back here soon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.